Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add title and description for your WordPress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have uploaded my WordPress.com, and now it's time to add title and description to our profile. Okay, first of all, guys, I'm going to click on this menu, give your site a name. Okay, and here, guys, you can add title to your WordPress. I'm just going to leave it like that because I just want to post random thoughts on my WordPress. Okay, and here you can add the tagline. I have added few words, and then you can choose a site icon as well, but you need to fit it, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, all right, it's really good, and click on save changes. Okay, I just want to add title and then the description as well. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add title and description for WordPress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.